Hey guys, so if you haven't used Kartra or planning to use Kartra, I really recommend you to utilize the tracking features. You haven't signed up to Kartra yet, feel free to use my link below to get a $1 trial. So what is the purpose of a tracking feature? So tracking features allow you to track. Let's start first with the link tracking. So link tracking is normally used if you have an affiliate site, or probably you are running a summit and you have a lot of guests in the summit. Like the norms practices is you generate a specific link for the guest, and the traditional way is they use bitly, but sometimes bitly is not stable. I always encounter a lot of links that um that is not working, or 404. But yeah, so link tracking allows you to generate a link to your loyal customers, and you can able to track how's that link performing. Um is there a conversion? So what I really like about Kartra is you can track the goal. So for example, you want to set a goal which is purchase. You can track that, and I'm gonna show you later how that works. Let's jump in the second way of tracking, called page tracking. So page tracking is kind of similar with a Google Analytics and Google Pixel, but this one is more into tracking the activity. I mean, they are similar, but the only difference is it is really internally built into your Kartra. So what its purposes is they can track how your customers or how your visitors behave into your landing pages. Okay, and yeah, so again, if you want, the page tracking will be used if you want to track, let's say, a Facebook ad. So aside from a Facebook pixel and a custom events in your Facebook pixel, you can also use a page tracking thing in the landing pages. Put it in the Kartra, and then see how the customers behave. So once you already created a tracking tools, it will um, this one will have a analytics or a forecast. But anyway, let's just start first in creating a link tracking in Kartra. So to create a link tracking, so you click this track links here, and then what's the name of that tracking link? What's the name of that tracking link? So let's say this is for Crystal. Let's just assume that Crystal is an affiliate marketer who joined to my program. So Crystal, and then I want to put the name of the products that she will be offering. So conscious cure. So what is the category? Category is an affiliate. Again, this is for an affiliate. She will receive a kickback when someone convert into her link.
Are you looking for an affordable way to outsource your tasks? Better check out Fiverr. I'm gonna put the link below so you can have the free credits. So what is Fiverr? Basically, Fiverr allows you to outsource your tasks for as low as $5 per month. There's a lot of contractors there that offer a lot of services that could be really helpful for your business. Anyway, let's get back to the tutorial.
So click the next. And then what is the tracking? What are the pages that you want to track? So is it an external link? So if you're running a WordPress, and then you want to track a WordPress website, then you should use this one. For a product landing pages, now in Kartra, there's two types of pages. There is a product page, and there is also a pages or so-called landing page. Now what I just want to track is our Kartra page. Okay, so I want to track a specific site called Conscious Cure, because in Kartra you can come up with two different sites depending on your um, license in Kartra. So Kartra page, I want to track this one. So CC affiliate page. So if you CC affiliate page, so this is, let me just pull that out. Where's that link? So again, inside the Kartra, you have a product. So the difference between the products is it's just a product itself. There's a checkout, while the My Pages is you can put a blurb or a verbiage of what's your products all about. So basically, this affiliate page is linked. So let me pull that code into her Amazon. So anyway, so this is the landing page that I want to track. So this one. So yeah, the difference between landing pages and product pages is landing page can, you can create something like some blurb into your product, and this landing pages is tied up to this product page. So I hope that makes sense. So yeah, I want to track this Kartra page called CC affiliate page. So Kartra page and landing page are both similar. So you click the, so again here, what do you want to track? So do you only want to track a specific person or specific person inside your Kartra list, or without leads? Now, since this one is a cold outreach, I just want to track everybody who went to the website. So whether you are already in the list of my Kartra account or not, I want to track everyone. Okay, so click the next, and then what do you want to track? Do you want to track the clicks only, or the clicks and the goal? Okay, I want to track the goals at the same time, because I want to see how many people purchase the book using her link, okay, using her tracking link. So I'll set a specific goal, which is purchase, and then what is the product funnel? So the product funnel, product funnel is, I'm going to choose Conscious Fears, the name of the book. And by the way, if you want to know how to create a product inside the Kartra, let me know so I can create a separate tutorial for that. Basically, you just need to go in here under my products. So this My Pages that I want to track is tied up to this Conscious Career products. So if that is kind of confusing, let me know so I can create a separate tutorial for that. So let's go back here. So what is the product again? I want to track Conscious Fear Solutions. And because inside the My Products, you can create a lot of products. So for now, she only have one product inside this My Products. Basically, My Products is this one. My Products is the parent, and then inside the My Products, you can create a different items. Okay, so this one, select a product, and then what is the price point? So right now there's only one price in this Conscious Cure paperback. It's only $15.99. So I'm going to choose price point 1, which I just set up. However, you can also set up a lot of price point and track an individual price point. So if this product has two different prices, let's say $30 and $15, there should be a two types of price point here. You can also rename the price point name if you want to, but I just keep it as default for now. So click the add, and then you've already set up the goal here. You can also set up a multiple goals if you want to. Like if you want to track aside from the purchase, you also want to track the page visit, then you can do so. So there's 3 ways for you to track the open, the page visit, and the purchase. So for now, I just want to track the people who purchase the product. So click the next, and then do you want them to add on a specific tag? Now I want it to be add, so this is just a optional, but if you want to come up with a email sequence of this on these people, then I highly suggest that you create a tags on Kartra. So add tags, and then what's the name of the category. So I just prefer to be an affiliate. Now, I really love to put a category name for my tag so I know what kind of emails that I'm gonna create for that specifically. So this is an affiliate. So select, I wanna select the tag will be Conscious Cure paperback. So these are the people who purchased the paperback. Actually, I just set up purchase paperback. So these are the people who purchase the paperback. So, by the way, when you say paperback, this is a hard copy of the book in Amazon. However, in Amazon, you can purchase the Kindle type if you don't want a hard copy of your book. Simply choose Kindle or ebook instead of paperback. So I'm going to click that. Make sure you click this add button. By the way, if you haven't seen any tag in here, simply click that create new tag for you to write a specific tag name, put a description, and put that on the specific leads. But right, you can also set a specific limitation of the tag. So if this is like an occasional campaign, then let's say for example Christmas, so you can set a specific expiration date. So anyway, let's cancel that one. I just prefer to tag them purchase paperback and then click the add. Now you will see here, you should click the add in order to register the tag on the tracking tools. So you click that add and then this one will be enabled. So click the next. And then do you want to use a dynamic ID or not? So dynamic ID is something a bit similar with UTM parameters, but I would not cover that one in this video. Yeah, so I'll set something in here. Average cost per goal for this one is just set per click, but basically since we've already set the conversion here as a purchase, this will automatically convert into purchase. Okay, so $15.99, and then click the create, and congratulations, you already have the tracking tools.